In this video, we'll be showing you the results after we tried YouTube automation for 30 days. And YouTube automation is basically when you upload videos without showing your face. And before we started this challenge, we spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos on the best way to grow your channel fast and basically the best times to post on YouTube. And after watching all those videos, we concluded that the best times to post on YouTube is between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m., and between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. In order to be paid on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year with your long videos, or you need 10 million views on your YouTube Shorts within 90 days. But either way, you need 1,000 subscribers. We placed some rules for this 30-day YouTube automation challenge, which includes to post at least twice a day, specifically YouTube Shorts. And we also needed to post 3 community posts per week, specifically image polls, since it gets the best engagement. And this is because image polls take a lot of space on your viewers' feed, which may make them curious and actually engage in your image poll. And once that viewer engages in that poll, YouTube then recommends your content to them. The moment you've all been waiting for are the results of this challenge. We've posted from the end of October to the end of November. And in 30 days, we got 476,376 views, 1,800 watch hours, and 581 subscribers. Unfortunately, we didn't meet the requirements to be monetized on YouTube in our first month, but that doesn't mean we won't in the future. The views we got in our first month were beyond our expectations, especially as beginners. We just need to be consistent with posting and optimizing our videos. We also created and edited our own videos instead of outsourcing them for this challenge, just to see what results we would get. Here are the lessons that you should take away from this video. The fastest way to grow on YouTube is through posting YouTube Shorts. And this is because YouTube is pushing out YouTube Shorts so much because they're trying to be like TikTok and they want people to be on their platform. So try posting 1 to 4 times a day. Remember, consistency is key to growing on YouTube. So don't give up and trust the process and just keep on posting. If you see one of your videos getting a lot of views, then make more videos of the same topic but in a different way. You can do this by making multiple parts or a series of a video that is performing well. And you can do this in any niche. If you posted a video about the best desserts in France, for example, and it did really well, then you need to do another video about the best desserts in India or any other country. See what we did there? We used the same topic, but we used another country. And once you post a video series, a lot of people will binge watch your videos. That way you keep getting a lot of views and subscribers, and people will be enjoying your content. And pick a niche that people are actively searching for videos about, such as psychology, personal finance, and other niches. Community posts also help with growing your subscriber rate and help with interacting with your audience. You can also use it to announce your new video. And remember, if you get 1 view on any of your YouTube videos, then you get 7 impressions. And this includes your YouTube Shorts and long-form videos. If you see a video on your YouTube feed, that is considered an impression. An impression is a golden opportunity to get more views on your past, present, or future videos. So for example, if you get 100 views on your YouTube Shorts/videos this week, then next week you'll have 700 impressions on your videos, giving you a higher opportunity to get more views and subscribers. So be consistent with posting your videos because it'll all be worth it. If you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, watch the video in the description box below.